This is my 1956 Silvertone guitar. I made one video with it, and the bridge just was never right. So I decided I was really going to fix it up and modify the snot out of it. So what I've done is I left my tailpiece on there. I took a Telecaster bridge and I cut a Telecaster bridge in half. Then I took the adjuster screws out so I could get the saddles as low to the bridge as I possibly could. The brass bar on the back makes the strings break even more of a dramatic angle before going into the bridge. It has a P90 in it. I don't put a volume control on it or a tone control because I don't care. But this thing is so good for playing blues and slide and open tuning. So anyhow, I'm really happy with it. It looks really weird, but it sounds just freaking great.